Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you this mobile Huawei Wi-Fi Lite. So now in this mobile problem, FRP bypass Google account verify. You can see here verifying your account. I want to remove this FRP bypass Google account verification. So now you have to connect and set any SIM in this mobile. If you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. So now click restart this mobile. Do it. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. So guys, this mobile is get on. Now click go back and click on emergency call. After that, emergency information, click pencil. So now add contact. Do it. Guys, here contact will show you any sim. You can see here there are two contacts are show. You can see here and click any contact. After that you have to click on icon and three dots. After that share it. Now guys, you have to click on message. Hold. As you can see this app info, click on app info. Now guys, you have to scroll down and click SMS app and open links. Scroll down last in YouTube, you can see here, click on YouTube and click icon. After that app notification and scroll down additional settings. As you can see, now guys, you have to scroll down and last in about. Now click YouTube terms of service and accept and continue. Next it. No thanks. So now guys, you have to search this link. If you are new and my channel, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest video. Now you have to search this for link frpfile.com/bypass and search it. Do it. Now guys, scroll down. You have to download two application. First of all, download Google Account Manager Android 8 and hello. Next, download bypass FRP 1.0 APK. Now click on three dot and click download. You can see here there are two application downloaded, and now install Google Account Manager and Android 8 and click settings. After that, allow from this source and go back and install it. Now click done, and now guys, you have to install bypass FRP 1.0 APK. Install it, and then now you have to open this application. Now guys, click on three dot and browse sign in. Now you have to sign in Gmail any. Click OK. Sign in any Gmail have you created already. Do it. It's loading now. Now you have to enter your Gmail. When you enter Gmail address, then click next it. After that, input your password, Gmail password, and click sign in. Signing. Do it. Signing complete. Now you have to restart your mobile. After that, do it. So guys, if you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. So guys, it's get start and click start it. Just a second, it's loading now. Click escape and continue. You can see her account, escape it and escape anyway. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. Bypass FRP is removed now. As you can see, Google account verify complete. Now it's get starting now and setup completing. You can see her. If you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. So guys, FRP bypass is removed now. As you can see, this mobile model, you can see here guys, Huawei Wi-Fi Lite. So now bye, be back later.